welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this a lovely white bodysuit blocked by Thuggy. So what we're going to be needing is 4-way stretch fabric about 2 to 3 yards and snaps, which are optional. If you would just like to sew the bottom closed, it's totally up to you, but if you are going to use snaps, I highly suggest use the sew-on ones. Don't be like me and use the ones where you gotta shove a hole in it and do all this nonsense. But anyway, so let's get into the project, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and the pattern will be in the description below. Let's do this. So for the front of the top, we're going to make sure to cut on the fold. So fold the fabric in half and place the pattern on the fold, and then we're going to cut 2 pieces. These are what the 2 pieces should look like after we've cut them. Now we're going to place the 2 pieces together, and we're going to sew along the top and bottom. Once the top and bottom is sewn, we're going to go ahead and turn it inside out. You should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the front bottom piece, so make sure to cut 2. We're going to take the 2 front bottom pieces and put them together and sew along the top. Now we're going to take our 2 front bottom pieces and flip them over. Now we're moving on to our back piece. We should only cut 1 piece for the back. Now we're taking the top piece and attaching it to our back piece. We're gonna pin along the sides, leaving the arm open, and we're gonna sew along the pin sides. So once you you've sewn the top piece, we're going to go ahead and connect the bottom piece. Make sure it overlaps with the top piece, leaving an opening. And we're going to go ahead and sew along those sides once we've pinned them down. Once you've attached the top and the bottom pieces, you should have something that looks like this. Then we're going to go ahead and attach our sleeves and place them through the armholes. Cut 2 sleeves, fold each, and sew right down. Once you've sewn the sleeves, we're going to take the sleeves and place them through the armholes. Make sure that all the seams match up. So the inside seam of the sleeve should be matching up with the inside seam of the bodysuit.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life is squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and black, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV. No, SOS. Somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got. They can last me the next 2 weeks.
The neck piece. Make sure to cut 2 pieces.
The outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time in Bella line and track. Spent like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought. No,
right along the top, we're gonna pin it and we're gonna sew.
2 gal on a van, 2 man in my line heard one of my things they P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
I told her my name is Sam, she said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran for the diamond test cause they weren't legitimate.
Once we've sewn the 2 pieces together, now unfold them and fold it horizontally, sewing right along. Now, take the neck piece and place it through the hole. Also, remember for the neck, you can adjust it to your preference, depending how much tighter you want it to pull up for more cleavage and security.
If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak, we ain't playing exclusives.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life is squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed,
so now what we're going to do is hemming up the back of the bodysuit. Sorry that my camera didn't catch this part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from our sleeve, that corner front of the sleeve, we're gonna fold it once and we're gonna pin all the way around till we get to the other sleeve, and slightly in the corner of the front we're gonna stop right there. From there we're going to do a zigzag stitch or a straight stitch all the way to the other end. Remember, we are not hemming the front of the bodysuit. Now, to hem the bottom, we're also gonna fold it again once, both sides, and you can either do a zigzag stitch or a straight stitch.
Started with a queue that I wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my Blasian, why you so focused on your Asian set? I know that the Jack boys pray that they get to the clubs and days inside.
Now, this last step is optional. You can go ahead and sew the bottom piece of your bodysuit together, or you can attach snaps like I did. But I would suggest that you use the sew-on snaps. They are much easier. I'll leave the link in the description to the snaps that I brought off Amazon. All the instructions are included in the package with the snaps.
Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see all your bodysuits. So until next time, bye.